Today, we will take a tour of the Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Institute of Management Sciences or BIMS, located at Salt Lake in Kolkata, West Bengal. BIMS is an internationally reputed intellectual, cultural and educational movement with 112 centers, of which 7 are overseas with 280 constituent institutions. Bhavan's motive is to promote education, literature, culture, science, human values and interfaith harmony for all-round human development.
Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Institute of Management Science, Kolkata was established in the year 2000 with MBA program and affiliated to Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology, Kolkata.
This Par Excellence Institute offers BBA and 2-year MBA programs affiliated to MACOT and is approved by AICTE, Ministry of HRD and Department of Higher Education, West Bengal. Focus on BIMS's teaching is to provide that cutting edge to students with industrial assignments through seminars, industry visits, case studies and interactive session with the industry stalwarts.
We have a specialization in MBA, marketing, HRM, finance, operations, business analytics, etc. And we are known for our very highly qualified and important very faculty members. They are having expertise, experience, and we are giving the blended learning.
The teaching pedagogy at BIMS is unique with a mix of classroom teaching, case study and non-classroom activities.
Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Institute of Management Science, Kolkata have a very well-equipped automated library with huge collections of textbook, reference book, printed copies of national as well as international journals, magazine.
Research and development forms an important part of learning at Bhavan's Institute of Management Sciences, Kolkata. With a number of paper and publications under its belt, BIMS is one of the leading management institutes in Kolkata. Perhaps that is why BIMS holds an excellent track record of campus placements with corporates thronging its campus to recruit.
At BIMS, our mission is to produce professionally competent management graduates. Here we have a very dedicated and research-oriented faculties who not only impart quality education but also handholds each student throughout their life in BIMS. We also conduct industry visits in places in and around Kolkata and Pan India. ITC Limited, Dabur India, MRF, Deloitte, Ernst & Young, TCS, and our recruiters list goes on, featuring some of the leading brands across the sectors. Students get to interact with eminent corporate personnel across the sectors who enrich the students with their rich industry knowledge. They also conduct mock group discussion and personal interview sessions as a part of the preparation process for the placement. We have a very rich database of alumni who had been continuously helping our students in learning new techniques to ace interviews.
So, if you're looking for a bright future in the field of management, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Institute of Management Sciences, Kolkata is where you should be.